A homeowner in Toms River, New Jersey, had just put her home on the market, and as she was getting the house ready for its first showing, she discovered ants crawling all over her laundry room. She immediately called Cowleys, and we were sent out to treat. We saw where the ants were entering the laundry room and decided to go outside to do some further investigating. While inspecting the exterior, we saw the ants trailing all around the foundation of the house and then entering through a tiny crack around the foundation. The best course of action for this particular situation was to apply a repellent that would not only eliminate the ants on contact, but make them leave the areas we're treating. Using repellents in certain situations is the best way to go, because it quickly removes the problem. Afterwards, we applied a liquid residual along the entire exterior of the foundation, as well as inside where the ants were seen. The residual allows the ants to live long enough for them to carry the treatment back to their nest, where they will share it by grooming or feeding one another. In a short amount of time, the entire colony is exterminated.